Red Sea Global is all about people and planet. With more than 50 highly skilled environmental professionals, we ensure 24/7 presence on site. We work hand in hand with all national regulators to ensure the legislation implemented in Saudi Arabia are implemented here in our site. Environmental compliance is the core function of our environmental management system to ensure the highest environmental protection standards at all of our projects.
We work in direct collaboration with Red Sea internal stakeholders, including a total of 134 contractors and operators currently active on site. Each contractor has a dedicated environmental resource who is working full-time to ensure the high level of environmental protection during the construction activities.
Compliance is not an option, it's a must, even though we are committed to do more and more. To demonstrate our concept of the regenerative tourism destination in order to preserve something for our future generations in our lovely country, Saudi Arabia.